Hello and welcome. Now we will see how to install Nginx and configure proxy paths in Google Cloud Platform virtual machine. As you can see from the image, we have Nginx running on port 80 and we will deploy nodejs application on port 3000. And the client will only call on port 80 so that we will configure Nginx to call the nodejs application and serve it on port 80 to the client. To connect with our virtual machine after you are logged into the Google Cloud Platform, on the left main menu, click on Compute Engine, VM Instances. From the list of virtual machines presented, click on SSH from the right side of the virtual machine instance you want to connect, and then wait until the shell is connected and ready to be used. Now let's run the update command on the shell. After successfully updated the instance, then run the command to install the Nginx service on the server. Nginx is successfully installed. It is time to check the status of the Nginx service. Then you will see the Nginx service is by default started. Check if Nginx is returning the default index page. Now return to the Google Cloud Platform console and click the public IP on the virtual machine. And then it will open a new tab to open your virtual machine service running on port 80. That is Nginx default index page. We have done installing Nginx. Let's install Git. Git is decentralized version management software. We will pull projects from GitHub so that we need to have Git software in our server to perform this task. Now Git is successfully installed. By cloning sample project from GitHub, we will run it on our VM port 3000. When the clone is finished, check if the folder is created by running ls command and change your working directory to the cloned project. Before running our sample project, we need to install nodejs, since the project is written with a nodejs script. Now, let's run the application in the background. Check if the application is accessible from outside. To do that, go to your browser and refresh the page with a public IP of your virtual machine we opened in earlier step by adding port 3000. It is not accessible because we don't open the firewall to accept incoming connection on port 3000. Now let's configure Nginx to redirect any incoming connection on port 80 to port 3000 and present our application, which is a nodejs running on port 3000. To do this, we will go to etc nginx sites enabled directory. First, delete the default file in this directory and create a new file which is called app and write the configuration as shown in the video. Anytime we change any configuration in Nginx, we should restart the Nginx service. Let's do that now. Go back to your browser and refresh the public IP by removing port 3000. You should see your Node.js React application by now, running on port 3000 but presented in port 80 by the support of Nginx. This is how to install and configure Nginx in Google Cloud Platform virtual machine. Thank you for your time in watching this video.